Hey there everyone, I'm Talha, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a net worth spreadsheet on Google Sheets. Creating a net worth spreadsheet is very useful if you wish to keep track of your total debt, your total savings, and your total investments. So let's have a look at the spreadsheet right here. This spreadsheet accounts for different types of items that you can add to your debt, different types of items that you can add to your savings, and different investment items that you can fill, and then determine your total investment, total savings, and your total debt. Then we're going to use a formula to calculate your total net worth for a period of time. For example, over here we have from January 2022 all the way to December 2022. So if you're going to create this spreadsheet, first you have to create all of these columns, the month columns, and then you have to create the rows right here for your debt, such as your car loan, your student loan, your mortgage, and your credit card balance. And then you're going to create a row for your total savings. And for that, we're going to add the balance in our checking account and our saving accounts. Next, we can add our total investments. For that, here we have crypto, shares, bonds, and real estate as well. Next, we're also going to add a legend here that's going to be describing the different types of items present in this table so we can determine where different information will go. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to fill out this sheet. First of all, this sheet is going to need some values. I'm going to copy and paste a random value set, which I already have here. So here it is. This is a random value set for each row. So these are the car loans that I've added. These are the student loans, the mortgages, the credit card balances, then the checking account balance, and all of these rows have been filled by me. You can fill these rows with your own information. They've been filled all the way up to December, and you can also add charts. Let's discuss that later. So once we've filled in all of our information, what we're going to do is calculate these informations using formulas. So to calculate our total debt, we're going to use a sum formula equals sum B2 to B5, meaning from car loan to credit card balance, all of this will be summed up and shown here. And then we can just simply drag the formula forward and apply this to all other cells, which I've already done. So similarly, for the total savings, we're going to use the sum formula again and then calculate the sum of all of these values and then drag the formula forward again. For our investments, we're going to just do the same, and for our real estate, we're also going to do the same. Next, in our net worth column, we are going to subtract our total debt from our total savings and investments and real estate. So here we have added a sum of B20, B16, B11 minus B6, meaning the total real estate added into the total investment added into the total savings minus the total debt. So the value we get is 169,550. Next, we can just simply drag the formula forward and apply it to all of the cells, and then we have a monthly net worth going all the way up to December. And that's how simple it is to create a net worth chart. You can always add different rows here for different values that you may want to add by going to a cell and clicking on the right click and insert one row above or below and add another row to any of these sections here, and then you can add a different value and calculate that as well. I hope you like this video. Please leave a like and subscribe.